What can a financial advisor help me with? Most people think that a financial advisor is only going to help me with investments, but they can actually help with a whole lot more. One of the biggest things that they can help me with is understanding life. And what I mean by that is they can help me get clear on what matters to me and what I want to see happen, what I want to accomplish. How do I want to live my life? Do I want to travel? Do I want to spend time with family? Do I want to give back in the service of others? A financial advisor is going to help me get clear on those things because resources are finite and we can't do everything. So we need to prioritize what matters to us most. A financial advisor can also help me protect myself and my loved ones. Life insurance is very important. If you have beneficiaries, you have people that rely on you, dependents, your spouse, your family. You want to make sure that if something happens to you, something happens to your spouse, you're able to take care of yourself, your family is able to continue on. They can also help me plan for things like long-term care and other healthcare coverage expenses that I'm going to see as I get older. One of the things that I want to make sure is I don't want to be a burden to my family. So how do I protect myself so that my family doesn't have to worry about that stuff? A financial advisor can absolutely help me with investments. They will help me come up with a plan on how best to deploy my resources to get me from where I am to where I want to be. What's the location of my investments? Is it pre-tax accounts, post-tax, Roth accounts, because taxes matter? How am I actually investing? What's the mixture of stocks to bonds? What's the mixture of US to international? How am I actually investing towards my goals, and what kind of risk levels am I taking? And one of the most important things that they're going to help me do is avoid making emotional decisions. We tend to look at the market, and if things are going badly, we don't have a plan or someone to guide us, we tend to make mistakes. We tend to make investment decisions in the moment and in haste without actually thinking about those long-term repercussions. And a financial advisor is going to help me figure out a plan for my investments, and then they're going to help me stay the course and guide me through those tough times. Sometimes we just need help staying out of our own way, and a financial advisor is going to help me do that. Now, many people are able to build up a good nest egg, but a financial advisor is going to help me come up with a plan on how that actually translates into paying for what I want to see happen, paying for my lifestyle. I may have different accounts that have good account balances. I may own different assets, but what does that mean when I need to take money out monthly to support my lifestyle? And how do I know that this amount is going to be enough for my whole life? How do I know that the way I'm taking it out is not going to put me in a position where I run out of money? The last thing that I would want to see happen is my money run out and I outlive that. And that's going to put a burden on me. It's going to put a burden on my family. So how am I planning for my income? A financial advisor is going to help me figure that out. Now, while financial advisors are not tax professionals and are not CPAs, they can come up with strategies and they can help guide me in a way that helps me be more tax efficient over the long run and helps me address certain taxable events that I may see in the future. If I'm a business owner, if I'm inheriting assets, for example, how do I manage that in a way that I don't need to pay more than necessary to the government in taxes? My financial professional is not an estate planning attorney, but they are also going to help me think about how my assets will be handled after I'm gone. How are my assets going to be handled? Who are they going to go to? Who's going to be in charge of that? How will things pass and who's going to get what? A financial advisor will help guide me on that. They'll help me get clear on how I want things handled. And if I have beneficiaries that are inheriting these assets, that advisor is also going to provide them the same guidance and care that I got while I was working with them. They're a trusted professional that I know my loved ones, my family, can go to and get ongoing guidance to help them with their life and help them continue on the legacy that I've helped them build. Financial advisors do so much more than just investments. They look at my whole financial picture and come up with a plan and give me ongoing guidance on how all of that fits together and helps me get to where I want to be and helps me live the life that I want to. If you're watching this video and you're unsure about your direction that you're going in, you're unsure if you're doing the right things, if you have more questions than answers and you want some help, Go speak to a professional, go talk to a trusted professional. This stuff is too important. Again, a financial advisor can help me with so many different things. Think about how your finances relate to that and think about the questions that you have. This is important and you deserve to get proper help with it.